This is Lisa at American Eagle Harley-Davidson filling you in on what is up. What is up? It is this weekend's giveaway for Rolling Daytona. That's right, you need to be in here this Saturday at 2:30 because we are going to be giving away this kick-ass Jesse James Dupree autographed guitar. We are going to be giving away their set of wristbands to go to STURGIS for 2024 for the Pappy Hole Campground, the pair of passes to the Harley-Davidson Museum, and the swag bags. So what's really cool about the swag bags this year is, they always have like a t-shirt and all kinds of miscellaneous, kind of cool stuff in here. You're also going to find one of these, one of Jackyl's CDs in there. So which CD is going to be in there? It all depends on which swag bag you get. So make sure you come in this weekend because this is the last weekend to get registered. Get your keywords, as you can see here. Get your keywords, get your thing. It's your last chance to enter to win this 2024 Road Glide Limited as well, which they're going to start calling the qualifiers for those next week. So this is the place to be. Come in, win your stuff, have a kick-ass time, and we will see you Saturday.